Hello students, welcome to Suravsar's classes. Today I am going to solve ISI Bstat 2019 objective question paper. Now it is question number 14. Let Px equal to x by 4 plus a3x cube plus a2x square plus a1x plus a0 be a polynomial in x with real coefficients. Assume that p0 equal to 1, p1 equal to, p2 equal to 3 and p3 equal to 4. Then the value of p4 is option A 5, option B 24, option C 29 and option D not determinable from the given data. Now from here we are seeing it p0 equal to 1, p1 equal to, p2 equal to 3 equal to 2 plus 1, it is 1 plus 1, it is 0 plus 1 and it is p3 equal to 4 equal to 3 plus 1. So you can easily say that here p n equal to n plus 1. It is true for n equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now if we take a polynomial qx such that qx equal to px minus x plus 1. Now for x equal to 0 we have q0 equal to p0 minus 0 plus 1. Here p0 equal to 1 minus 0 minus 1 equal to 0. Same way we have q1 equal to p1 minus x1 plus 1. It is 2 minus 2 equal to 0. In this way for x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 we have qx equal to 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 are roots of polynomial q. Now polynomial px equal to is a 4th degree polynomial as highest power of x is 4 here. So here qx equal to px minus x plus 1. Here also we have highest degree of x is highest degree of x of p. So qx also a 4th degree polynomial. polynomial. So QX have maximum 4 real roots. And we are getting here 0, 1, 2, 3 are real roots of QX. So here we got all the roots of QX here. So QX equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. As the coefficient of x to the power 4 in QX is same as the coefficient of x to the 4 in PX, which is nothing, only 1. So we are keeping 1 here. So here QX equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now we have QX equal to PX minus x plus 1. Now QX equal to, we have found that x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to Px minus x plus 1. Now I have to add one extra page here. Here what we have, Qx equal to Px minus x plus 1. Here we found Qx, which is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to Px minus x plus 1. So Px equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus x plus 1. So here we have to find out P4. So P4 equal to 4 into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 3 plus 4 plus 1. Now it is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. It is 4 factorial plus 5. 4 factorial equal to 24 plus 5 equal to 29. So our answer is 29. Option C is the correct answer.